We're making one of my all-time favorite biscuit recipes, shortbread. It's simple, but it's effective, and we're using the best, Odlums of course. So straight into a bowl, we're gonna go with 275 grams of the Odlums cream plain flour. And to that then we have 100 grams of ice and sugar, which we're just gonna sieve. So once you're happy with your dry ingredients, then we go in with the butter. So we have 220 grams of good old Irish butter. And then all we do is we get our hands in there and we rub the butter into that ice and sugar and flour. Yeah, it's just one of those things that was like 3 ingredients whacked together and you made these beautiful biscuits out of it. So I just absolutely adore them. So once we get to a nice soft smooth dough consistency, we wrap that in cling film and put it in the fridge for 30 minutes to rest. 30 minutes later, your dough should be ready to roll. So what I'll do is I'll cut this in half, and then you can keep half and freeze it down, and then we're just going to roll out the other half here. Dust the surface with some flour, Odlums flour of course, and then we have over top as well, and we're just going to roll them out. So just be nice and gentle, constantly moving the biscuit dough. And then we're just going to cut out nice rounds, whatever size you like. You lay them onto a tray. So just be gentle with them. This goes back into the fridge for another 30 minutes and then we're ready to bake. 30 minutes later, you're ready for the oven. So into the oven at 170 degrees for 12 to 14 minutes. A little sprinkle of your castor sugar. It's the simple things that makes people happy. And there you go, beautiful shortbread biscuits with Odlums.